guys, it's Herrine. Today is a super special day because in just a few minutes, I'm going to be meeting Amaury Guichon and Dominique Ansel. Now, if you don't know who these two people are, they are giants in the dessert world. So the reason why I'm meeting them today is because they are going to be teaching me how to make chocolate. Hopefully I don't mess up and I can make them proud and I can keep my ultimate fangirl to the all-time low. Yeah, wish me luck.
And because of social media, we are now able to show what a pastry chef life is about. And now people can see pastry chef as being rock star.
So I'm really excited about this collaboration this weekend with Chef Amaury. I've been following his work like other hundreds of thousands of people, and I think he's really, really talented, and really excited that he comes to our bakery in New York and to be working together to show people that his creations are not only beautiful, but they're also really, really tasty.
I'm Herrine, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, welcome.
Hi, I've seen so many of your videos. Nice to meet you, I'm Herrine. What are we going to be doing today?
The chocolate cylinder. I will show you how to do the chocolate swirl that goes on top. Maybe you can give it a try. So let's do a fake one for now. Here.
Okay.
Put your finger here to apply pressure.
Okay.
And you really
Gotta put your, okay.
and you do a little
Skiing?
yeah, like a little skiing. Okay.
I don't know if I can do that. So 2 fingers here, right?
Yeah.
And then I put it down at an angle
Perfect.
with pressure.
Yeah.
And then I,
Oh, you did it. You're shaking.
I am shaking. All right, no pressure. Oh, it is working. Am I doing it?
Yeah. Try to do. Yeah. It's okay. It's your own platter.
Where do I stop? Do I stop now? Okay. Yeah, it's not bad. Okay, and then now what? Okay,
You did good. This is the tough one.
scale of 1 to 10. How'd I do? 10 being the best. Be honest.
6.5.
6.5, a failing grade. My mother would not be too happy with the 65%.
Okay, let's.
I never knew that. Making desserts would be so stressful.
Stop.
Yay! Oh my god!
You're doing it!
Hey!
Look at you, huh?
What about this? Out of 10. How'd I do?
This is 8.
An 8, a solid B.
Now we're gonna let it crystallize.
Okay.
We're going to brush some gold with.
Oh, I know that. It goes on my face. I think I was a little bit too heavy-handed. So is this powder like super duper expensive?
powder, it is very expensive.
Oh, no pressure. I just like put so much on it.
No, it's okay, it's okay. You're just gonna hold the toothpick and just peel it off gently.
Ah! Oh, it's not as pretty as yours. It's actually quite
It is a
ugly.
different pattern. You know, it's actually just a different style, but it's not bad.
I think it also has to do with how long my talons are. They're tools in and of themselves. Dominique, can you tell? I made one of these. Can you tell which one is mine?
It's hard to tell. They both look beautiful.
You're too nice. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the best, what would you rate me?
Reduce versus this one.
This is 10.
10, this is 4.
It was so much hard. You gave me a 6.5. Wow. Are you okay? I'm like so emotional right now. That is so good.
It's good. I think I love this recipe because there's so much some complexity between all the textures, the flavors. A bunch of like different flavors and explosion in the mouth is excellent.